What are the real health benefits of chia seeds? And what is the downside to eating too many chia seeds? Welcome back to the FemHealth channel, a medical education channel by doctors for you. Chia seeds are small but packed with nutrients, and many studies have looked at how they affect heart health, blood sugar, and weight. They are rich in fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant compounds that fight inflammation and act as antioxidants. Because of this, chia seeds have gained popularity as a superfood. In this video, we will talk about the impact chia seeds have on your heart, your weight, your blood sugar, and inflammation. Let's start with the heart, and metabolic health benefits research shows that chia seeds can help improve parts of your blood fat profile. The most common benefit is a modest drop in triglyceride levels. When taken in higher doses, chia seeds may also reduce LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol. It may also help to lower systolic blood pressure, which is the top number in blood pressure readings, by about 2 to 8 millimeters of mercury. Some studies also found a small decrease in diastolic blood pressure, especially when people consumed larger amounts. When it comes to total cholesterol and HDL cholesterol, the results are mixed. Some research shows no change, while a few studies found that HDL might slightly go down with high doses of chia. Still, most experts agree that the overall effect on heart health is positive. How do chia seeds affect your blood sugar and your weight? For blood sugar control, chia seeds don't seem to change fasting glucose or long-term sugar levels much. However, they can help reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. This is likely because of their high fiber content, which slows down how quickly food leaves the stomach. In terms of weight loss, chia seeds are not scientifically proven to lead to major weight loss. But there are some studies that show a small reduction in waist size, about 2 to 3 centimeters. This could mean less belly fat, which is important for lowering health risks. Chia seeds may also help you feel full longer, which might reduce how much you eat later on, but this depends on the person. Let's talk about how chia seeds impact inflammation. Another health benefit is a drop in C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation. While other inflammation markers like IL-6 and TNF-alpha didn't change much, the drop in CRP still suggests chia seeds may help calm inflammation. They also raise levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. Now, are there any downsides to eating chia seeds? For most people, chia seeds are safe and well tolerated, but eating a lot of them, especially without enough water, can cause bloating, gas, or stomach discomfort. This is because of their high fiber content. In rare cases, chia seeds may lead to esophageal or digestive blockages, particularly in people with swallowing problems or gut issues. Some studies also show that HDL, which is the good cholesterol, may go down slightly at higher chia doses, but it is not clear if this matters for overall health. Allergic reactions to chia seeds are very rare but can happen, especially in people with other seed allergies. Overall, there's no strong evidence that chia seeds cause serious side effects or interact with medications. However, because they can slightly lower blood pressure and blood sugar, people taking blood pressure or diabetes medications should check with their doctor before using chia supplements regularly. Chia seeds are a nutritious addition to a healthy diet. They can help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and shrink waist size slightly, and may improve inflammation markers. But they are not a magic solution for weight loss or diabetes control. The research so far is promising but still limited, and more high-quality studies are needed to fully understand their long-term effects.